All the flavor, none of the cruelty or cholesterol. This is the best ever vegan ranch dip that goes great with cauliflower buffalo wings. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of vegan mayo, 1/2 cup vegan sour cream, 1 teaspoon vegan Worcester sauce, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon fine chopped dill, 1 tablespoon chives, 1/4 cup Italian parsley, 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 garlic clove, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. In a large bowl, add all of your ingredients. Start with the 1 cup of Vegenaise. Next, add 1/2 cup vegan sour cream. I use the Follow Your Heart brand Vegan Gourmet. Now it's time to chop your greens. You're going to slice up your parsley, dill, and chives until they're finely chopped. And then add them to the bowl. There goes the parsley, and now the dill, and finally the chives. Next up, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne. Now add 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce. I used the brand Annie's. Last but not least, chop up your garlic and add it to your bowl. Now it's time to mix it all up until it's thoroughly combined. Then you'll just let it sit so all the flavors come together and it's ready to eat. You're done! This makes a thick and creamy ranch dip, but if you want more of a ranch dressing, you can simply add some non-dairy milk. So good! You've got to try this! Click here to see the video recipe for cauliflower buffalo wings.